Receiving money through Truist is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you can easily receive funds into your account. Step 1. Set up your Truist account. If you don't already have a Truist account, you'll need to open one. Visit the Truist website or a local branch to complete the account setup. Make sure to have your identification and any necessary documents ready. Step 2. Link your account to payment services. To receive money, link your Truist account to payment services like Zelle or PayPal. This can typically be done through the Truist mobile app or online banking platform. Follow the prompts to connect your account securely. Step 3. Share your account information. When someone wants to send you money, provide them with your Truist account details. This may include your account number, routing number, or email address linked to your payment service. Ensure that the sender has the correct information to avoid any issues. Step 4. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your Truist account for incoming transfers. Depending on the method used, funds may appear instantly or take a few business days. Check your account balance regularly to confirm receipt. Step 5. Confirm receipt and withdraw funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily receive money through Truist. Make sure to keep your account information secure and stay informed about any updates to their services.